guys, welcome to the mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, so this video in theory is going to be a super quick video, nice and simple. It is Chris's birthday tomorrow, or when this video goes excuse me, or by the time this video goes out, it was yesterday. His birthday's on Monday. So he wants to get this done today. So it kind of has to be quick. Now, excuse me, what am I doing apart from not having a clue? Cleaning the mould. Yeah, this morning these were delivered. Yay! been wanting these for ages. Lula did a video last week and yeah, the colours were just wow, so I finally caved in and got them. So, as I mentioned, super straightforward, needs doing pretty quick. So all I'm doing is testing these out because, as I mentioned, only got them this morning, never used them before, and I just want to see what the colours are like. So for this one, I am going to be painting it all, and then I'm going to be filling it with white polyurethane. I will be doing a future video with black, but for this one, I'm going to be using white. So, I think this is all the yakking today. This is all the waffle. Makes a change. Yeah, usually my videos, it's loads and loads and loads of waffle. But not this one. Okay, so I shall leave you to Chris's zoomies whilst I get this painted.
Got a folding table, drop cloth on the floor, little jars of glitter and a thrift store door. Says I ain't fancy, I'm just chasing a feel. Mask on, hair up, spinning that wheel. She's a crafty rat with a resin pour, keeping it simple, still something to adore. Brand new powders for a chrome thrill. If it all goes sideways, you won't get the bill. Yeah, she'll laugh it off, wipe it up, try it once more. She's a crafty rat with a resin pour. Foam propped on a candle, homemade how to show. Coffee ring on a coaster, she meant to let go. Says it might get streaky, might not ever said, but she loves a mess more than the check. She's a crafty rat with a resin pour, keeping it simple, still something to adore. Brand new powders for a chrome thrill. If it all goes sideways, you won't get the bill. Yeah, she'll laugh it off, wipe it up, try it once more. She's a crafty rat with a resin pour. Burnage on the backing board, bubbles in the shine. Perfect ain't the point, she says, and this one's mine. Oh yeah, she's a crafty rat with a resin pour, keeping it simple, still something to adore. Brand new powders for a chrome thrill. If it all goes sideways, you won't get the bill. Yeah, she'll laugh it off, wipe it up, try it once more. She's a crafty rat with a resin pour. There's a crafty little rascal in the dead of the night, with tiny paws a-working by the porch pale light. A mason jar of resin and a sparkle in their eye, pouring mischief like the moon, pouring light from the sky. With a shake of their whiskers and a glint of pure gold, that glitter spins a story yet to be told. A palette full of shimmer, a dash of sly grin, the mischief maker's masterpiece is about to begin. Oh, crafty little rascal, pouring resin, making art, a splash of gleam and glitter straight from your heart. Out here in the moonlight, you're a marvel to see, bringing sparkle to the shadows with a touch of mystery. That resin sets like magic in the cool midnight air, little paw prints everywhere, but do they really care? A streak of shiny ruby, a twist of cobalt blue, hatched a sparkle to the shadows with a touch of mystery. So if you're out wandering when the stars take the stage, and you catch a little critter crafting something new and strange, don't try to catch them, just let them weave their spell, for the crafty rascal stories none could ever tell. Oh, crafty little rascal, pouring resin, making art, a splash of gleam and glitter straight from your heart. Out here in the moonlight, you're a marvel to see, bringing sparkle to the shadows with a touch of mystery. A crafty little rascal, pouring resin, making art, a splash of gleam and glitter straight from your heart. Out here in the moonlight, you're a marvel to see, bringing sparkle to the shadows with a touch of mystery. That crafty little rascal, pouring resin, making art, a splash of gleam and glitter straight from your heart. Out here in the moonlight, you're a marvel to see, bringing sparkle to the shadows with a touch of mystery.
Right, so this is cured. Hopefully you'll have seen as I was making up the additional amount, it started curing in front of everybody's eyes. So let's get this out. As I say, never done this before. I've probably coloured in the wrong bits in the wrong places, but as it's the first time, it is what it is. So yeah, it took a little bit more resin than what I anticipated. I originally anticipated 100 mils. It actually takes up about 140. So let's have a look. Oh, she's pretty. So first ever time that I've used the chrome powders. Now, not entirely sure if this mould is broken or if it's supposed to be like that, but the colours are amazing. And yeah, it seems to have turned out really well. I could have done a better job of covering with the powder, but she's turned out all right. I think I might get Chris to just paint in her eyes off camera. Oh, she's got arms there. Didn't see them. So this is why, on the first time, it's just more a case of testing what you're doing. So even though I got most of it, next time I do this, I know that she has these arms that come up here, and, you know, like little bits like that. So it's always, I find it's always good to just do a test piece. And as I mentioned, testing the chrome powders as well, and I think it's turned out awesome. So, as I said, this is a really quick video. Please like and comment below. That would be much appreciated. Now, these are the powders that I used. I believe I've got a discount code for Let's Resin. So, I'll get Chris to put it up somewhere. But yeah, go check them out. Get some money off. Use whatever code Chris has put up there. And just to sign off on this one, thank you for watching. My subscribers are absolutely awesome. If you're not already subscribed, please click the button. It doesn't hurt and it helps my channel immensely. Yeah, so that's it for this one. And I shall catch you for the next video, which should be on Friday. Bye, guys.
She's the crafty rat with her spin in a little shed by the railroad track, turning nothing into something that lasts.